Are you ready to start your career as an Amazon maintenance technician? Let's explore how you can kickstart your journey in just 10 weeks. With over 152,000 projected openings annually, the field of maintenance technicians is booming. Get ahead with our 10-week course, setting you up for success in the field of mechatronics. Maintenance technicians play a crucial role in various industries, ensuring smooth operations by troubleshooting mechanical and electrical issues. Their duties include preventive maintenance and adhering to safety protocols to minimize downtime and maintain quality standards. In mechatronics, technicians work at the intersection of mechanics, electronics, and computing, focusing on advanced manufacturing and technology integration. Specialized skills such as predictive maintenance and circuit troubleshooting are essential in this field, making technicians invaluable assets in industries transitioning to automated processes. Getting started as a maintenance technician in mechatronics is easier than you think. A great way to begin is by enrolling in our Mechatronics for Equipment Maintenance Level 2 course. This course is designed to help individuals specialize in the field, while beginners can start with our Introduction to Mechatronics course. Through our Mechatronics for Equipment Maintenance Level 2 course, for just $674, you can gain access to invaluable skills. These specialized skills can lead to starting salaries ranging from $46,000 to $56,000 per year. And here's the exciting part. You can start your journey with Unmuddled today. Through our risk-free, free trial, with no credit card needed, it's the perfect opportunity to explore the course materials, experience our engaging learning platform, and see how Unmuddled can propel your career forward. Plus, if you decide to continue after the trial, your progress will seamlessly transfer over. This will ensure you pick up right where you left off. Once you complete the course, you'll be equipped with essential skills that will make your resume stand out to employers. These include reading technical information, reviewing work orders, and testing products for functionality and quality. One of the best parts, you can learn at your own pace with the flexibility of 100% online modules. Aim to dedicate about 8 hours per week, and you'll finish the course in just 10 weeks, a commitment that won't disrupt your current lifestyle. The course covers a comprehensive range of topics aligned with industry standards, providing you with a solid foundation in electrical, mechanical, and pneumatic content. And don't worry if you're starting from scratch. While previous experience is beneficial, there are no formal prerequisites for enrollment. We do recommend having at least 1 year of experience in a related field to ensure you get the most out of the course. By completing this course, you'll also gain a certificate of completion to boost your resume. After completing the course, your journey to becoming an Amazon maintenance technician doesn't end there. We're with you every step of the way, offering comprehensive support to help you secure employment. From interview preparation to guidance from our S2J guides, we provide tailored resources to ensure you navigate the hiring process with confidence. Continue your journey by exploring diverse roles within the field, such as becoming a lead maintenance technician, automation specialist, or even advancing into management positions. It's a pathway to dynamic and fulfilling careers. Unlock the doors to a fulfilling career as an Amazon maintenance technician through our comprehensive 10-week course. With Amazon as one of our esteemed employer partners and a top hirer for this role, joining Unmuddled is your gateway to multiple job opportunities across various industries. See the links below to see how you can get started in a free trial.